Hey guys, good evening. So this weekend, if you remember, we had a poll. I don't know if you answered it or not. Here are the results. Like you see here, 50% of 50% of the people, more than 50% of the people are just thinking of studying. I agree if you're studying already, or I agree even if you're making some plan for your studies. So that is okay. And it is even okay if you're not at all studying and you're having some fun or you have some alternate plans for your career. Even that is okay, you're going ahead with it. But this in between, I'm thinking, okay, let me study from tomorrow, or this is a particular day from which I will start studying, or you're waiting some magical thing to happen that okay, you will study. You do want the end result, but you are just thinking about it, or you're thinking what all could stop you from it. So that doesn't work. I'm saying that doesn't work because you're not having fun also, and it is keeping on occupying your mind. Half the time you're just thinking, okay, I have to study, I have to study. And next day you start feeling like, okay, I feel bad that I did not study yesterday. So this goes on into a loop and occupies most of your mind, and you're neither doing nothing productive or you're not having fun. So I just wanted to discuss about this thing which many of the students are feeling in this particular video. And to tell about APSEd, I think most of you already know about us. We provide courses for civil engineering aspirants and environmental science aspirants. There are courses for GATE, EAC, and other exams as well. So you can go ahead and check the link in the description. There is a discount also going on, and within a short span, we have been doing very well. Our students have been doing very well, and this year we have got like 33 plus ranks in the top 100. And that is enough about us. Let us just directly jump into the video. So like I told you, if you're just thinking or waiting for some magical day to start, it is only going to occupy your mind space. If you're doing that, just try to address it. It could be as simple as you could be thinking, okay, I don't think I can do this, or it is too much for me. So what to do in that case? The other thing could be that you could be thinking there's a lot of time left. In fact, only 6 months are left. If you're really capable, it is good. But if you start early, you will be relaxed. I mean, instead of spending like some 14 or 10 hours per day, you could spend less time per day. You could go in a relaxed way and prepare. If you start late, you have to put in more time. That is the problem with it, and sometimes it will become too much and you will have to stop entirely midway. So it is better that you start now itself. So that is about that second thing which I told. If you're thinking you're having enough time, and I'll address one more problem which most of students had asked me also. They are doubting. They started that preparation or just thinking if to prepare or not, and it keeps on going. The main thing which they feel is that, like, can they do it? Can they get this many marks? You have to get like at least some 75 marks for a top 100 or whatever you are aiming for. Can they do it? So like that thought keeps on multiplying, and you keep on postponing your actual studying also. So what to do? Like, I'll just try to give you a simple like task to get out of it. Maybe it will work or it won't work. But if you're feeling really stuck, you can definitely try this. So you would have seen a lot of topper interviews maybe, and you start thinking that okay, I have to directly give 10 hours per day, or even like 12 hours per day. I have to keep on studying, keep on solving problems, then I will go ahead. So that may not work for everyone. If you can directly put in, that is great, salute to you, but many of us cannot. So what you do is you start slowly. Even if every day you are giving just 4 hours per day, if you are not working, you are at home and studying, if you can give just 4 hours per day, just take morning 2 hours and evening 2 hours, no matter what, you will study. So like that you do for just first 2 weeks or 3 weeks alone. Okay, so then you can start increasing time if at all you require. And if you are a working person, you can just give in 2 or 3 hours per day, morning 1 hour and evening 2 hours. So whichever works for you, you can do that. Just keep on doing that for 2 weeks or 3 weeks max, and later if you want, you can increase your time or do whatever. Just forget about the end result. So for this 3 weeks, just pick up one subject. So if you are from civil engineering, you can pick a subject like environmental or transportation or geotech, whichever you like. You are going to spend some 21 days, 20 days maximum on it. So what you will do is you will study it the proper way, try to solve questions. You do all that consistently for 3 weeks. Don't think about the next subject. Don't think about is there enough time. Don't think about what rank you will get. You just study this one subject alone properly, and after 2 to 3 weeks, once you complete the subjects, what you do is you try to you're obviously going to try and solve some PYQs. Then you will get to know whether you can even solve gate questions or not. So if you are able to solve the PYQs very easily, or you are able to solve 80% of them, that means you are good at this. You are good at exam preparation. You can go ahead and you can continue. But even after studying properly, like giving enough time, you are not able to solve questions. Then you either try to address why it is, you can also discuss with us why you are not able to solve, or if you start feeling this is not for you, you have just wasted 2 weeks. Now you can go ahead and go ahead with any other exam, or even if it is something else in your career, you can go ahead and start doing things for that. So you have judged yourself in 2 to 3 weeks time. This is better than thinking for 2 to 3 weeks whether I can do it or not do it. And even if you really want it and you are unable to like solve, still you're at 50% level, you can discuss with us what is going on, what is going wrong, and this is obviously going to give you a start, and you can go ahead and do this for each and every subject later on. But for now, just think this 3 weeks I'll try to complete the subjects and let me see if I'm able to solve the past year questions or not. You can have a target as simple as that. And if you are looking for GATE civil or GATE environmental science preparation, you can check out APSEd courses. They are very well structured for you to get a top rank. Or lessons and tests are designed in such a way that they convert to marks in GATE, because that is what matters. And also this year we have got 33 plus ranks in the top 100, and we have also launched a new course called Premium Plus. So that comes with one-to-one mentorship. It has limited slots if you are interested. So all the links I put in the description. You can go ahead and check it out, and there's currently a discount going on which you can make use of. The discount ends soon. And if you have any other queries regarding your GATE preparation, just drop it in the comment section.